Hello students, today I am going to describe about transmission media used in computer network. There are two types of transmission media used in computer network. One, guided or wire transmission media. Number two, unguided or wireless transmission media. Guided or wire transmission media is categorized with three cables: one twisted pair cable, two coaxial cable, and three optical fiber cable. One twisted pair cable. A twisted pair cable is made up of two insulated copper wires twisted with each another, and thus a twisted pair cable is made. A twisted pair cable is made for transforming the data signal as analog signal. In twisted pair cable, two insulated copper wires are twisted so that the noise problem of signal can be avoided. Twisted pair cable can be divided into two types: STP and UTP, shielded twisted pair cable and unshielded twisted pair cable. STP or shielded twisted pair cable is having a twisted pair cable with a protective plastic sheet, and UTP or unshielded twisted pair cable is a twisted pair cable without any protective plastic sheath. To coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is a thick, high capacity communication channel that is made up of four layers. At the middle of coaxial cable, there is a solid copper wire that actually transforms data. Around this, one insulator is there. Around the insulator, one shield is there. Around the shield, one outer plastic sheath is there. I have given a document of communication channel or transmission media of computer network. So please go through that document. You can see the picture of coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is mainly used in MAN or metropolitan area network. Coaxial cable is used in cable television network. In your home you can see a thick black wire is there that is connected with the set-top box of your TV. That is coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is used for analog and digital signal transmission, broadband and baseband communication. Coaxial cable can send data in much more higher data rate than twisted pair cable, and coaxial cable can send data with higher data rate. Third is optical fiber. Optical fiber is the most advancement of communication channel in computer network. Optical fiber is made up of a good quality fiber glass with multiple coating or with multiple layers. If you bisect a optical fiber cable, you can see at the middle there is a core glass. Around the core glass there is a cladding. Around a cladding glass there is a coating. Around the coating glass there is a strength member. Around the strength member layer there is a outer jacket. So this is a optical fiber. In optical fiber, data is sent in the form of light. That means optical fiber supports the digital communication. In optical fiber, data is sent in the form of light. The light signal passes through the optical fiber with the concept of internal reflection. Optical fiber is mainly used in one wide area network. Optical fiber reduces data attenuation, signal noise problem, signal distortion problem. Optical fiber provides you the much higher data rate. Optical fiber also secures that data loss is minimum between sender and receiver device. So this is all about wire transmission media or guided transmission media, that is twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and optical fiber. Now we are coming into wireless transmission media or unguided transmission media. There are many types of wireless or unguided transmission media: infrared wave, microwave, radio wave, Bluetooth communication, Wi-Fi and WiMAX. These 6 types of wireless transmission media is used. They are used in computer network. Number 1, infrared wave. An infrared wave is a very basic type of wireless communication mode where two digital devices can be communicate and can send and receive signal within a very short and limited place. The frequency range of infrared wave is 300 GHz to 400 THz. Infrared wave is used to send and receive signal within a short limited area. When we are using TV remote to switch on and change the signal of TV channel, when we are using wireless keyboard, wireless mobile, wireless printer, that time infrared wave is used. Number 2, microwave. Microwave is the second type of wireless transmission media. Microwave is used for line of sight transmission. That means the sender device will have one antenna, receiver device will have antenna, and both antennas will be aligned properly so that the sender antenna can send the signal to the receiver antenna can receive the signal. Microwave is used mainly for mobile communication and television communication. Number 3, radio wave. Radio wave is the third type of wireless transmission media. Radio wave is normally used for the public communication, the broad range of communication. Radio wave also supports line of sight communication, but radio wave can passes through the solid obstacles, and the sender antenna and receiver antenna may not be aligned properly. That means there will be a sender antenna, there will be a receiver antenna. They may not be, they are there, but they may not be aligned, and we can send and receive signal. Normally, the computer communication, you can say a laptop communication, you can say small network communication, a big broad range of mobile communication. In these communications, radio wave is used. The frequency range of radio wave is 3 kHz to 1 GHz. Number 4, Bluetooth. Bluetooth actually uses the radio wave to communicate to digital devices. The span of Bluetooth is 30 feet. That means within the 30 feet limited place, we can use radio wave for the Bluetooth device to communicate to digital devices. Radio wave Bluetooth device is normally used with connecting to mobile devices or to any digital devices that is having the Bluetooth optional facility. Number 5 is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi means wireless fidelity. Fidelity means security. That means Wi-Fi is a wireless transmission technology where the data is sent and received in between two digital devices with the full security that the communication will be 100% secure. In Wi-Fi, a 300 feet area is covered for the communication purpose. This 300 feet area of Wi-Fi is called hotspot. In that particular hotspot, all the digital device can communicate within the computer network by their Wi-Fi communication facility or option. Wi-Fi also uses the radio wave. And last wireless transmission media is WiMAX. WiMAX is like Wi-Fi, but it is a bigger aspect, a broader aspect of Wi-Fi, where the span of area increases, and the data transfer rate becomes higher, and the area becomes higher. Normally, the big IT houses uses the concept of WiMAX rather than Wi-Fi in their IT farms, in their IT campuses, to communicate within the buildings, to communicate within their multiple digital devices. So this is all about the wireless transmission media. So transmission media that is used in computer network, I have already described. Now we are going through some important protocol of computer. There are mainly two types of protocols. Many protocols are used in computer. Number one is TCP/IP. The full form TCP is Transmission Control Protocol, and IP means Internet Protocol. When we connect one computer with another computer in a network, and we are sending and receiving the digital information between two computers, for that particular communication, the communication line, the communication way is built by TCP or Transmission Control Protocol. Till the communication is over, the in-between communication channel or communication way or route is built and maintained by TCP. TCP is responsible to create, maintain and terminate in between communication route between two computers within an internet. After TCP, it is IP, Internet Protocol. Internet Protocol is responsible to create the small data packet and to give each data packet the sender address and the receiver address, so that data packet can be sent from a particular sender computer and it can receive to a particular receiver computer. So this is TCP/IP. And HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is used to send the hypertext documents or the web pages from web servers to multiple connected computer terminals or nodes within the internet. So today I have already described transmission media and protocol.